Hey guys, I am here with my. You guys do see a Buick GSX in this picture. Well, it's not a picture, it's a video. We're doing a muscle car showdown. Just to warn you guys, some of these cars in this video are not counted in my showdown. I'll tell you the ones that are counted in my showdown in this. I'm doing this thing, muscle car showdown. I'll probably do it with sport, kind of like I was doing on GTA there a little bit until I got the Xbox One, obviously. So I'll do muscle cars, probably sport cars, and then hyper cars, and then I'll probably do the LMP cars, Indy cars, eventually when I get the money. Well, you know, the in-game money, not real life money. But so yeah. I'm gonna start. I am in this car. I am representing Buick. I'm just gonna say right now. I'm gonna start the video. Well, hold on. Turn that down. I start the Buick off the line. I don't know why. Using manual clutch, I cannot launch the Buick. Alright, so we're going down. Big braking zone. I'm out wide. I don't have the grip. Super B comes on the inside. All the muscle cars right now. So you see me. I got an AMC Ramble on my tail. I got a Corvette on the inside of me. So I'm going. The Buick has good straight line speed, but it lacks a little bit. Speed, obviously, I just do not have to do it. So we'll come down. Super B in front. Cornet Super B in front of me. I got a Plymouth GTX on my rear bumper. So we're going down. And I start to catch the Camaro. He brakes in front of me, so I put on my brakes. Driving once wide, so I take the inside on him. The AMC Rambler gets turned around in the background. Dodge Challenger comes up beside me. He has more straight line speed than I do. He's worse for the corners though. So I start to close on him on the corners. This is probably the scariest part of the track. It's scary on most in race cars. And you see the Oldsmobile 442 get sideways back there. I can't remember what happened there, but something happened. I bumped into this Cornet. Well, I'm desperately trying to catch the Cornet. Right? Big braking zone. Dodge Nova fighting behind me. I accidentally put the car in reverse there. That's what happened. Alright, Corvette gets in front of me. I have more straight line speed than the Corvette does, so I just outrun him down the straight. And I start to catch the Dalt. Big braking zone. Spin the tires to the next corner. Catching the Dalt. Thing is, in racing, the more you fight, the more you slow yourself down, causing the other cars to start to catch up. Try to hold it around the outside of the Cornet, couldn't do it. The Corvette tries to hold it out around the outside of me, couldn't do it. Actually, he did do it. He came back. He held it around the outside of me. I do start to catch him back up again with my straight line speed in the Buick. I try to get around the outside of both cars in one corner, couldn't do it. Almost got around the outside of the Corvette, doesn't matter, straight line speed, I start to pull away. Cornet a little bit faster than me, like I said before, I believe. Big braking zone. Coming down the corkscrew. He wants really cuts it deep. I can stay on the track, so he gets ahead of me. Big sideways moment for me. but I managed to keep it under control with my drifting skills, which there will be more drifting coming soon. I'll probably drift. The winner of this thing ended my car later, but we'll focus on that when it comes, when the time comes. So I'm up the inside of him, sort of want him to the thing, but I'm on the outside for the next corner. Excuse me. He's up the inside, he pulls away. I guess I do have more straight line speed than he does, but he's blocking me. I can't find a way around him. Try to hold it on the outside again. Couldn't do it. Had to let him have the place back. Try to hold it around the outside. Again, I keep trying to hold it around the outside of people when I know I can't hold it around the outside. He hits the tile bundle. I get promoted up. I start chasing down the dog's dart. Dog's dart has the acceleration out of the corner. Not the corner speed, just the acceleration. He doesn't have the top speed. I'm faster than him in a straight line. We both go around the Nova. Nova comes back, tries to hold it around the outside. The 70 Camaro bumps the dog's dart. Nova puts his butt in my face. I outbike myself a little bit, bump into the Camaro, one wide. I can just about hold it around the outside of Nova. The Nova has the acceleration out of the corner. There's nothing I can do. So I try, put a wheel on the sand, get sideways. Straight line speed is my friend right now. I'm outrunning the Nova with straight line speed. Come down to the corkscrew. He brakes more than I do, but one's wide on the next pole. Corvette comes up the inside of him. Mustang almost comes up the inside of him. I'm coming down. I'm completely sideways through this corner almost. Coming down to this corner. But ain't nobody really fight with, so I'll just try to take the corner fast as I can, have the inside. Big braking zone, trying to catch the Camaro. Now, Camaro's in trouble because I have more straight line speed than he does. But he's so far away that I don't have a huge amount, I just have a little bit more. So I'm starting to catch him, and the straight's starting to run out, and I'm too far back to have a big dive up the inside. Outbrake myself one wide again like I did on the first corner. The first lap. Come back on the track. Drift around. Car will like to get sideways. Like anybody getting sideways. Big straight. I'm coming down. Braking. I have a line of cars behind me, but they don't have the straight line speed as I do. So I just keep pulling away. I'll probably change the brightness for you guys, because you guys having a hard time seeing these vibrant colors. But alright, big braking zone into the corner. Well, I won ride. Alright, so that means I won deep into the next corner. Which does help me catch the Camaro. I'll come around. We're coming up to the second to last corner. I'm pretty fast through this corner. Last corner coming up. This is the last corner. Final corner. When you come out close. I start to catch the Camaro. Can't quite catch him. But I'm very close. I'm on him right now. I just can't get around him. He blocks every time I try to get past him. So he's blocking on now. He has acceleration on his side, but I am ahead of him now. But so I'm holding him on. I'm leaving him. I feel like I'm safe. I can start to catch up to the Challenger. This is the last lap, by the way, guys. I feel like I start to catch up to the Dodge Challenger. Alright? I'm catching up to the Challenger. I'll one wide on this corner a little bit. So I feel like I'm clear. I can just stay where I'm at. I'm not really that keen on, I like to play some mat. One wide a little bit on that corner, no big deal. I have to straighten that speed to march it up this hill to outrun whatever is there. To outrun the Camaro. Going into the corkscrew. I get it right this time. Big sideways moment again. This car like to get sideways. It's a born drift car, guys, I'm telling you. But, so there's the Camaro, see? There's something really eventful for this Camaro. I'm on the Challenger right now. I'm on him. Big braking zone, final corner. Try to go around the outside of him. Couldn't do it. So, it's the drag race to the line. I have the straight line speed. I'm just going. I just get him right before the line. Alright. I just get him right before the line, guys. It was so close. For that first race, the 69 Mustang, no 71 Mustang, made a one. The way I'm doing it is those 20 cars. Well, those like it was a 25 car race in this race. But they're all 20. Let me go ahead and delete that. That was in the last race. They were all 20 calls in the one I am doing. There was a wild card. I can't remember the name of it. Back out. Oh, yep. My calls. So by manufacturer. Used Nissan something. Nissan IDX Nismo. Alright. Alright. The wild card, it gets a 1 because it couldn't participate in that track, and I do know it could not do anything against that car. So, the Rebel got a 1 in that race too, because of the big sideways moment in. The AMX, which is in that race that went out wide, got a 2 because it came in the top. It came in the 15s. My car came in the 4s because it just outwon the Challenger right before the line to get me into 10th place. The Corvette came in first, so it got a 5. The 69 Camaro was not in that race, so I automatically gave it a 3. The Nova got a 2 in that race. The Challenger, no, the Chevelle got a 1 because it came in. It came in last. The 70 Camaro came in 3 because it came in the top 15. I fucked that up. Give me. No, double. This is by 4 calls. Dang it! I messed up my whole thing. All right. Well, I just have the results at the end of the race. So I'll go ahead and let you guys watch this race while I figure this out. There'll be some commentary, but I'll just try to fix this. Make it 4 instead of 5. Wait. Started off the line again. I cannot launch this call. 0 dive up the inside. Couldn't do it. I got my nose on there, but I worked myself. Try to have a big dive up the inside. Couldn't do it. I worked myself again. Found this pole. But what I didn't realize is that the Challenger was catching me that whole time. It was starting to catch me. So as I'm running, I feel like I'm in clean and I have nobody close behind me, so if I mess up, I am fine. Not true, because if I mess up big, the Challenger is close enough to capitalize on my mistake. Enough of that. Alright. Loading screen, loading screen, loading screen, loading screen. Alright. The results for that race, well, for the other races, 4 is now the top you can score right now, okay? There's a 671 Mustang Mark 1, got a 1. It came in that. It came towards almost last. The Mercury Cougar came in at 4. I think that car came in 3rd place. The Oldsmobile came in 2nd. The Plymouth Cuda came in 4. Had a 4. Well, the Oldsmobile had a 2. This is points. Okay, the Mustang had 1 point. The Cougar had 4 points. The Oldsmobile has 2 points. The Cougar was the one before. The Cougar has 4 points. The GTX has 2 points. The Firebolt has 4 points. The GTO has 2 points. The Coronet has 1 point in that race. In the race before that one that I showed you. The first race I showed you. The Challenger had a 3 in the race before at the Dusty Circuit. The Dart had a 4. The 70 Camaro had a 3. The Chevelle made a 1, like I said before, it came in last. The Nova had a 2. The 69 Camaro, which, like I said before, was not there, so I gave it a 3. This kind of helped out because it would be in the other events. The Corvette, I had a 4. Not the Corvette I was fighting with, so that Corvette don't count. You'll see the Corvette. I could probably show you a picture of the Corvette now. Go to my car. What's my cars? Let me go to my cars. Hello? There it is. Alright. 67 Corvette. Alright. 67 Corvette. Got a 4. My car had a 3 in that other race. Actually, no, it would have had a 2. Okay, it had a 2. The MX had a 1. The Weber had a 1 because of the big tone, and then the Nismo had a 1 as well. And this one, in the race that you just watched, the Mustang a little higher up got a 2. The Cougar got a 3. The Oldsmobile had a 2. The Cuda made another 4, which is quite good. The GTX got a 3. The Firebolt GTO, the Firebolt got a 1. GTO got a 1. The Coronet got a 2. It's a lot higher up. You've seen it in that replay. The Challenger got a 4. I believe it passed me. I don't remember. I didn't watch the whole thing. The Challenger got a 4. The Dart got a 4. The 70 Camaro got a 3. The Chevelle once again got a 1. Came in last. The Chevelle, most powerful car in this series. A boat for it doesn't handle good. You'll probably do good in this straight line speed test, which will be next. The benchmark would be set by the Chevelle. So yeah, because it's got the most power. My car got a 4 in that other race. The AMX got a 3. I guess my car would have got a 3 actually. The AMX got a 2, and then the Rebel and Juke got a 1 once again in that race. So I hope you have liked this video. There will be more to the Muscle Car Showdown coming soon. Probably expect it around tomorrow or sometime. And if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and goodbye.